Hello there. Today we're attempting to load and play Rick Dangerous on the ZX Spectrum. It's only a playthrough this, it's for the ZX High Score Challenge. I haven't had time to do any looking into the game at all, so I'm just going to have a go at getting the best score in the High Score Challenge, and that's it. There's no talking or walking through on this one. But Baz Harding did do a playthrough and his thoughts, so what I'll do is I'll link his video in to mine, and then if you're interested in finding out more about the game, you can watch his video, because I haven't got the time. So yeah, I've had my playthrough as you get here on this challenge. I've had about, sorry, just a minute, got about 40 minutes on it, and I'm going to have a quick go. I don't think I'll win, but I'm really enjoying these challenges, so I'm going to give it my best. I've not played this before on the Spectrum apart from the last hour. And just a second. Yeah, my memories of this are on the Amiga. The controls that Baz were complaining about are Z and X left and right, OK up and down, and Enter's fire. To be honest, they quite suit me. I can play like this, so I'm not complaining too much. Although I still would have preferred to define my own. So up and fire shoots the gun. You only have a limited amount of bullets. Down and fire fires the dynamite, which you use to destroy obstacles. Bollocks. Not a good start. Yeah, as I said, I've only ever played this on the Amiga. To be honest, it's not my cup of tea, for the simple reason that it's the sort of game where you can just die as you come on. You've got to really memorise your route, and I don't like that sort of thing. Although I must say it looks very nice on the Spectrum. I've not played many car games on the Spectrum. I remember I'm on the Amiga. Run away, run away, run away. Oh, bugger. I didn't want to do that. I've just destroyed the ammo. So I've no ammo left. So this is going to end in tears, probably. In fact, it will do, because I need to shoot him. I wonder if I can... No. So I'm stuck. Bugger. Yeah. Right, so I've got my bullets back. I'm a bit miffed at that, to be honest. That was a schoolboy error. Oh, buggery. Yeah, this isn't going so well. I thought I were dead then. Bollocks! See, that's why I hate this game. You just die. Run. Oh, I've run out of ammo. That's my last life. Now what's down here? Oh! Pig! I missed that. Right, so that's my go. I can't remember what everybody else scored. I don't think I did very well, to be honest, but I just want to take part. So yeah, I'll be uploading that now before I head into work. As I said, really quick, bit of a rush one, but I wanted to keep taking part in these because I think they're good fun. Good luck to everybody else. Yeah, thanks for watching, those who did. If you want to watch a proper playthrough, as I said, watch Bazza H's video. I will put it in the Oofa Doofa section at the top, so those who want to watch it can. I would recommend it because you'll learn a lot more about the game, basically because I told you nothing. Yeah, that's it. Catch you later. Bye bye.